Let me tell you something honest. If fast English sounds like noise to you, there is nothing wrong with your ears, nothing is wrong with your brain, and nothing is wrong with your intelligence. You were simply never taught the real way English learners understand fast English. Today, I'll teach you the method that thousands of people use to finally understand movies, native speakers, podcasts, songs, everything, even when the English is fast. And trust me, this is going to change everything for you. Most English learners think the problem is speed, but no, the real problem is processing. Your brain is trying to translate. Translation is slow. English speakers don't translate. They recognize patterns, sounds, rhythm, and chunks. Today, I'm going to break those things down for you, like your best friend who wants you to win. So sit, relax, and don't stress, because this lesson is going to feel soft, simple, friendly, and maybe a little emotional too. Let's be honest. When a native speaker talks, it feels like they mix all the words, right? You hear, "Did you eat yet?" Or, "What you doing right now?" Or, "I'm gonna gotta wanna something." It's not your fault. Native English compresses words. They connect everything like a long wave. If nobody teaches you this wave, you will always feel lost. But the moment you understand that English has rhythm, instead of clear, separated words, something magical happens. Your brain starts recognizing familiar patterns. And the moment your brain recognizes the pattern, speed stops being a problem. You've probably been learning slow classroom English for many years. Slow English is, "Do you want to go to the store?" Real English is, "Do you want to go to the store?" Slow English is like walking. Fast English is like riding a bicycle. You're not weak. You simply need to learn to balance. And I'm going to show you exactly how. I want you to imagine something. Imagine you go to the gym and lift weights for the first time. You feel tired. Your muscles hurt. But after 1 month, the same weight becomes easy. Why? Because your muscles adapted. Now think about your ears. Your ears are exactly the same. If you give them fast English for 5 minutes a day, they become stronger. If you give them 10 seconds repeated 5 times, they become faster. You don't need to understand everything at once. You need to expose your ears to real English in small doses. That's the trick. That's the game. Here is a method that works for thousands of learners. Use it every day for at least 30 days. Step 1. Choose a 10 to 20 second English clip. A movie scene, YouTube video, short podcast, anything. Step 2. Listen once without subtitles. Don't panic, don't analyze, just listen like you listen to music. Step 3. Listen again and focus only on rhythm. Pay attention to the rise and fall of the voice, not the words. Step 4. Listen again and try to catch important words, nouns, verbs, emotion words, not every word. Step 5. Turn on subtitles and compare. You will be shocked how much more you understand. Step 6. Shadow it. Repeat while listening. This is the magic step. Shadowing connects your mouth and ear. When your mouth learns the rhythm, your ear understands it automatically. Translation destroys your listening speed. It is like watching a movie with a 10-second delay. Every time you translate in your mind, you fall behind. Instead of translating, you need to switch into pattern recognition. Let me give you an example. When someone says, "What are you doing?" native speakers don't hear, "What are you doing?" They hear one block, "What you doing?" It's not 4 words, it's one pattern. When you train your ear to recognize patterns, English stops feeling fast. In every sentence, only 20% of words matter for meaning. The rest are fillers, connectors, grammar glue. For example, I'm going to go to the store because I need to buy something. Important words are going, store, need, buy, something. Even if everything else disappears, you still understand the idea. The trick is focus on important words. Ignore the small ones. That's the secret. That's what native speakers do without thinking. Here are some patterns that will change your listening forever. Going to becomes gonna. Want to becomes wanna. Did you becomes didja. What are you becomes whatchu. Let me becomes lemme. I don't know becomes I don't know. If you memorize these patterns, suddenly English becomes 30% slower in your ears, even though the speed is the same. Start with slow, clear English creators to build confidence, then gradually move to normal speed, and finally to fast native speed. This step-by-step approach prevents frustration and builds real listening skill. Don't try to understand everything. Native speakers don't hear every word either. Focus on meaning, rhythm, and key words. Consistency is more important than perfection. Even 5 minutes a day listening and shadowing can transform your understanding in 30 days.
Remember, your brain is powerful and your ears can adapt to any speed. You just need practice, patience, and the right method. Understanding fast English is a skill, a muscle, a habit, and you're building it right now. Keep practicing, stay patient, focus on keywords and patterns, shadow every day, and soon fast English will feel natural, easy, and even enjoyable. Your English can improve faster than you think if you give your ears consistent, focused training every single day. Don't give up. Keep going, and soon you will understand movies, podcasts, songs, and conversations without struggling. English will start to feel like music, fast but beautiful, and you will smile because you can follow along effortlessly. This is not talent. It's method and practice, and you are capable of it. Keep listening, keep shadowing, focus on important words, recognize patterns, and train your ears like a muscle. Your understanding of fast English will grow day by day, and you will feel confident and happy with your progress. Stick to this routine, be consistent, and the results will come naturally. Fast English is no longer a problem, it is an exciting skill you are mastering. Trust the process, stay motivated, and enjoy every step of your English journey.